little turn of events here. We're getting ready for date night and we get a phone call and it was one of Joel's contractors. Now, any contractor that comes onto our property, they let Joel know exactly when they're gonna be there, and Joel is always there when contractors come in for various different reasons. There are large machinery coming through our road. Our road there's a few areas that are pretty steep, but it is what it is for now. And Joel got a call and our suspended
slabs, they were being delivered today. They're being put in place on Monday, but you got to bring in a crane. So they were bringing one trailer load up today and gonna bring the rest up on Monday.
But we didn't know that. They didn't tell us that they were coming.
I wish I would have known so bad, but anyway.
And we would have been there, like absolutely we would have been there.
Oh, I would have wanted to be there. But
so we get a phone call from them. Their driver,
I think he couldn't see the rear wheels in the mirror, they said, when he turned on our road. Because of the height difference, and his back tires have slid in, luckily into the shallow side, but
not the steep side.
Oh yeah, that would have just taken the whole cab over. But the trailer is on its side with our slabs, and
is the cab on its side?
The cab's sitting up, so they think if we can release the pressure from the trailer, it'll drop the cab back. But it's not like on its side.
And the reason they haven't done anything yet is because they wanted us to come look at it.
I think this just happened.
Yeah.
And he's wanting to see if we can use the backhoe in any way to kind of relieve some pressure, some tension. Because if we can salvage the slabs, then no harm, no foul. He thinks the trailer's totaled regardless, but...
Oh, no!
The slabs, and that's lead time, is the biggest problem. And so, if not, it is what it is. We're not going to jeopardize anybody's safety for that, but I really want to get this driver out there feeling secured, and because I think he's in a pretty good state of shock right now about what just happened. So
hopefully we can use the pieces that are out there, but we're going to go see what we can.
Yeah, he says one's chipped a corner, but he's like, that's not the end of the world, so we'll see. But even if, I think it's 3 slabs, if 2 of the 3 are good, then we can make do, and we can be waiting on one later on, or I don't know. We'll just have to see what we can do.
Okay. So. Date night might be put on hold.
We've been trying for this one for a while. I feel bad because the owner of the company's in Orem, Utah, 2 hours away.
So the owner hopped in his car, and he'll probably get there after we are, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
Guess I'm not showering for date night. I shouldn't have
taken a nap. I made Joel take a nap. You've been working all week long on the house.
2 weeks straight.
For like 2 weeks straight, just like
Saturdays, every day.
All day long. So I was really looking forward to like getting ready, going out. It's okay, we still might be able to, we'll see. I don't know why I came with you. I shouldn't have come with you.
I know, it's fun.
Because it's gonna be a while.
Well, if James is meeting me out there, then you gotta head back. That's fine.
Okay.
Do that.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
It is not what I thought.
No, it isn't what I thought. Oh my. Okay.
So he was thinking maybe we could come up with the tractor and break the chains and let the cement fall rather than trying to cut it, but
jeez. My gosh. Oh dear, I'm just like noticing, you know, that's a straight trailer and you can tell that it bows and curves right up at the edge. Right in here. Arr.
Well, he was right. They said the trailer's a total loss, and it is definitely. That thing is a loss. It's so bent and contorted. And the cab, I think the frame of the cab's done. Well, we'll see what we can do here.
I think they're just kind of weighing their options, talking things over. I'm sitting in the truck because it's 100 degrees outside, but I called Joel and I was like, okay, tell me what you're doing. So the slabs are not broken, and it takes 5 weeks to make the slabs, and we don't want to be behind 5 weeks. So what Joel is doing is building up the dirt in front of those slabs, so that way they can cut off the slabs, they can cut those chains, release the slabs from the trailer, and then they can, you know, pull the trailer out. And I think a wrecker will have to pull it out because the trailer's totaled. I don't know all those details, but that's what Joel's doing, trying to preserve the slabs so that we don't have to wait another 5 weeks, because you can't start framing until these are in. These were scheduled to be in Monday, and then we were gonna start framing right after, so ay. Oh dear. Joel is really putting his skills to use right now. I am not sure what we're about to see, folks. We're gonna experience this together, okay? Is he trying to break the chains? I just wish I knew what he was thinking so I could convey that to you. He's spanking that trailer because it was naughty. Yeah, you take that, you little trailer. You was a bad thing. You did a bad thing. Alright, we're just gonna converse about this. You know, is this the best thing that we should be doing together? We don't really know. We're both flying by the seat of our pants. Okay, I'm gonna do everything I can because I want to salvage date night. I think that's what Joel just told him. I think I read his lips. Oh dear. Don't we have bolt cutters? Can we go get bolt cutters? I want to be those boaters in the background. Take me to the lake. All right, let's see what Mr. Hoellein's gonna do. I want to go home. I want to go home. Scary, eh? Are you trying to break the chains?
Yeah. The binders are on the bottom side, so
so you can't undo them.
So we gotta cut them somehow.
Okay.
So I'm gonna hold the tractor and trailer with pressure. He's gonna climb up there and cut it.
Oh boy, howdy. All right. I trust you, Toots. I moved our reservations to 8:30.
What?
I moved our reservations to 8:30. We'll see what happens. Joel put me on fire watch duty. The tractor being in these weeds is actually a big deal, you know, for a long period of time like this. So yeah, we're hoping that nothing catches fire, and if it does, I will alert. Oh, Joel's gonna be mad at me. I didn't get it. Oh, okay, well, they broke the chains. I was Marco Poloing our dates. I guess it wasn't too climatic. Did you see Joel look back? He's probably like, did you get that, sweetie? Fire me! While I sit here from the cool of the truck, I feel so sad that he's out there probably sweating like crazy. Oh, look, oh, Lozzie. Look at him maneuver that trailer. I mean, when I tell you, there is nothing Joel cannot do. I mean, oh, you tipped over your semi. Oh, let me just tip it back over for you in a tractor that I've only known how to run for, you know, a couple months. And in that couple months, only a handful of, like, handful of times. But boy, howdy, that was nimble. That was nimble, and I believe he kept the integrity intact on those slabs, but only time will tell. And, you know, I'll update you. Give that a little shove, honey. Just a little shove. Oh, no. Oh, maybe. Oof, only time is gonna tell. What is Mr. Joel thinking? What's he gonna do next? It's a stinking great idea with the dirt pile, though. I tell you what. Boy, I'm sweating, and I'll tell you exactly why. He just flung around in his seat, looked at me, and gave me a big old thumbs up. I don't think I've ever sweat faster in my life. Well, sweetie, there was no fire. Knock on wood. Yet, still. Okay, this is from Bonnie's point of view, that's for sure. Oh, dear heavens. cannot wait to hear from him. I don't know what he's gonna do. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, I see. He detached from the trailer. There's a reason I'm in here filming and not out there doing any type of logistical planning, okay? It's not my thing. It's fine. Doesn't have to be my thing. Tell me, what's going on?
Well, so we salvaged 4 of the 5, and he's verifying that 5th one. It just make sure it's not bad. But we think the truck is drivable. The trailer, I think, is totaled, or at least it'll need to be reworked.
Okay.
And he just drove the truck out that way, and he's going to test that road to see if that's how they want to get their crane in.
Oh,
they got to bring a crane in regardless, so they're just going to bring it in, move the trailer, stack all those up, go put them in place, and then put that on the trailer.
So are those pallets going to stay there until Monday then?
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Okay, great.
So I think we'll still get a floor on Monday. We just be missing 1 slab. But the cool part is they make all that stuff in advance. Like, so they have like so many feet of it down at their place ready to go. And so he's like, we could have you one within the week. It won't be a 5-week turnaround if we've got to replace one or whatever. Like, that's great.
But it takes 5 weeks usually because that's...
If they're building them to it, that's just where you are in the line.
In the lineup. Got it. Got it. Oh, Joel, this is great.
Yeah,
I mean, it could have been so much worse.
So much worse. I'm so happy we were here. I'm so happy we had the tools. And
date night it is, huh?
Date night back on. I gotta go shower, sweetie.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
You don't have to.
Yeah, I gotta shower. I stinked. It'll take me like 2 minutes to shower.
Yeah, but it takes us 30 minutes to get home.
Well, they're coming to our house.
I'm sorry, did you say 90,000 pounds?
I didn't say 30,000. 90,000 pounds was how much concrete was sitting there. That's so much weight.
I'm sorry, I'm sweating again.
Yeah.
Our ride is here.
Our chariot awaits.
I'm sorry, what is this back here? For you. Whose idea was that? I love you guys so much.
Is that okay?
You're the best friends that anyone could ever ask
back
for.
and forth. I was like, black or white can? Which one? Regular or sugar-free? Then I was like, you know, it's a sugar night.
Yeah.
You know what? You knew,
Yeah.
because on a regular night it would be sugar-free.
Well, I
but
knew, like, okay, well, we don't have sugar candies. Usually that's when you like the sugar one. But I was like, but it's still a sugar night.
He knew. He freaking knew.
You knew.
The suspension almost of the garage floor.
Yep. Like we have our concrete there now. Like
I want to go see. Too bad we're not matching Chubby's outfits. Next time.
Next time. See, I told myself I'm not going to order everything like last time, but now I'm seeing everything. I'm like,
One of everything. I literally just had the same whole process go through. Because I thought today I'm gonna get a salad and maybe one little splurge, and now I'm like, I need it.
I'm sitting in the, well, actually, yeah. I mean, did you even say that very clear?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.